Amara, I'm taking a second wife. Ever since you gave birth to our two children become so fat.
Why? Please,
This is
Mama,
how to
please don't
create
send me
AI
away
avatars
out.
that actually talk, walk, sit, and do all those things that you see in those channels. I know that you've been on this YouTube and you see that these channels are getting tons of views. So don't say I didn't do something for you. Let me show you how to create those videos. Yes. First, you go to ChatGPT and you tell ChatGPT to generate a script for you. I need you to listen so that you don't miss out on any step. So generate a script for me for a YouTube storytelling channel video. Now ChatGPT is going to generate the script. As you can see, let's see, it's remembering, then it's going to generate a script. Now this title is "She laughed at the old man until she found out who he really was." As you can see, this is going to hook your audience and everything. Now this is it. So as you can see, this is the script and it even gave it to us in parts. I need to pay very good attention so I don't miss out on any part of this lecture. Having done this, what you're going to do is you're going to tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt to give Kling AI for the first 5 seconds. That is very hooky. Now, this is going to be very, very important because these first 5 seconds is what the viewers see at first. It determines whether they scroll away or they watch. So we're gonna send this message now to ChatGPT. It is very, very important that the first 5 seconds make sense. Now, ChatGPT also said it for YouTube storytelling. The first 5 seconds must create immediate curiosity. Exactly, the viewer should think what happened, especially when it comes to these storytelling channels. So as you can see, this is the prompt that is giving us to give to Kling AI. This is the prompt, yes. Then voiceover for 5 seconds and everything. Now, having done this, I'm going to tell it something, and this is where most people actually miss out on the important parts of it. I want to give Kling AI the image reference. Send images. Now, this is the part that people actually miss out on. So, GPT is going to like generate the image references, then we're going to judge based off what it generates. Yes. Now, I see many people see these storytelling channels and feel like, oh, these videos are made in 5 minutes or whatever because it's AI. No, if you are lazy, just scroll up. This video is not for you because for you to do this, you actually have to put in the work. Yes, you had me right. You actually have to put in the work, sit down, put in the work, and actually work towards everything that you want. So, as you can see, it's loading. The image is actually going to be ready soon. That being said, we first of all just copy this prompt. We copy the prompt and then the image is already created. So this is what the images look like. I'm now going to tell it let it not look, or this is just my personal view of how I want it to look. So you're the one that will tell ChatGPT how you want the character to be. Let it not look ultra realistic. Give me one image of the main character. So this is very important because telling it let it not look ultra realistic. Yes. So this is just my own preference when it comes to AI pictures, AI images. I just prefer it looking actually like AI. So it depends. If you want it to be ultra realistic, still go with whatever ChatGPT produces for you, or specify that that is what you want here. Now, as you can see, as the image is created, let's scroll up. As you can see, the scripts that ChatGPT created is actually a long script, and if you look at most AI channels, you observe that they only animate like the first 20 seconds of the video, after which they use normal pictures for the rest. Do you understand? So they only animate the first 20 seconds. So I would advise that while you animate the first 20 seconds on Clean AI, you just use ChatGPT to generate other images, then just do zoom in. Yes, if you need more clarification on this, you can drop a comment so that I will enlighten you more. But for now, this image has been created, so what we're going to do is that we're going to save it to photos. Then we go to Kling AI. Having gone to Kling AI, see this, then you see AI video. Do you see how I click on this plus button below? Then I see effects, AI video, Omni, AI image, and avatar. I click on AI video. Then for frames here, what we're going to do on these frames is that you're just going to add that picture that you saved from ChatGPT. Once you click here, take it to your camera roll, and then you add the picture that you took from ChatGPT. Then on your prompt, you now paste the prompt as ChatGPT said, just like that. Then you click on generate image. It's literally that easy. Now, if you don't want to add a frame, you could also go to text to video. Then the prompt is already here, and then you just generate here below. That's where you generate it. I don't want to generate it now because even the generation takes a whole lot of time, and I don't want this video to be too long. But this is how to create those videos that I see people talk, those animated videos, those African story channels and everything that get millions of views on YouTube. So this is how to actually remove the watermark, right? This is for people that have watched this video to this point. Because you're on the free version, your video is most likely going to have watermark. This is how you're going to remove it. Normally on your Photos app, which is where the video is going to be saved, you then click on this icon, the edit icon, click on crop, and just simply crop out the watermark. It's literally that easy. That way, you still have your video animated and there is no watermark. I'm the only one that has the access to all these secret tricks on how you can navigate most apps for free without having to pay a dime. So if I were you, I'm gonna subscribe to this channel for more premium information.